Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will tell you 3 things that you should do in order to solve any problems you are having. With these 3 acts you can leave any other wazifa and recitation aside. You just need to do these 3 things, and by the will of Allah Azza wa Jal, any and all of your problems will be solved. Almost everybody experiences some problems, whether it be problems regarding money, like you do not have enough of it, or your health is simply not very good, you are not feeling well, or you are unable to find work and do not have a job, or you are missing an item, you lost it, or just any problem at all, any problem you could possibly have, or anything that you would need help with. Do as I tell you to, and inshallah your problems will be solved. With these 3 acts that I tell you, you do not have to do any other wazifa or recitation to fix your problem. You can leave every other recitation and wazifa aside and only do these 3 for the time being. The first thing that you will do is perform 2 rakats of nafil prayer at any good time during the day, whenever you can find the time to, and while you are in sajda, after you finish reciting Subhana Rabbiyal A'la, recite Ayat Karima 40 times. Do this for each of the 2 rakats of nafil you're praying, which would mean you recite Ayat Karima 80 times total during the prayer. Ayat Karima is in Surah Al-Anbiya, which is the 21st surah in the Quran, and it is part of the 87th ayat. It's not the whole thing, just a little part of the 87th ayat, and I'll read it right now. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. لا إله إلا أنت سبحانك إني كنت من الظالمين. صدق الله العظيم. Do this act every day. Pray 2 rakats of nafil prayer, and while you are in sajda after reciting Subhan Rabbiyal A'la, recite Ayat Karima 40 times, and do this for both rakats. Then, what you should also do every day, throughout the day, recite Surah Quraysh. Surah Quraysh is the 106th surah in the Quran, which is very short. I'll read it right now. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف. صدق الله العظيم. This you will recite however many times you can throughout the day, and you do not have to have wuzu in order to recite this. The last thing I would advise you to do is recite Ya Jami'u Ya Mu'idu 100 times every day. Ya Jami'u means the gatherer, the uniter, and Ya Mu'idu means the restorer and the reinstater. None of these acts take very long, and these are only 3 things you should do to resolve any and all of your problems. It is recommended to only do these 3 acts for 40, 70, or 90 days. Only focus on these 3 acts for those times, and inshallah Allah Azza wa Jalla will solve your problem, whatever it may be, and you will be blessed and free of troubles. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and take a look at my other videos.